$330,000, $380,000, $390,000 home. If we want to go into a different market, explore more expensive properties like here in Santa Clarita Valley, that payment's going to be considerably higher. Now, despite the high prices and interest rates, I will tell you Santa Clarita does remain a very, very strong seller's market, but it's tough out there. Existing home sales have dipped month over month and year after year just because of the lacking inventory, and we're seeing that affecting the local buyer drive in the buyer market because they're not finding what they're looking for. In addition to that, they're not finding it. Sellers that are considering moving aren't finding it either. One of the things to consider as a seller is potentially being able to transfer your mortgage to someone else. Maybe there is somebody in a different market that you want to move to that wants to get into your market. So maybe a trade of sorts if they're locked in at a similar interest rate. And even if not, trades like that actually work out. And of course, all the costs have to be looked at on either side so everybody's being fair and equitable in that particular transaction. But it's something to consider